Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add time tracking to your Monday.com board. By the end of this video, you'll be able to seamlessly track work hours on any task, get real-time insights on productivity, and even build powerful reports for your team, all without leaving your board. Whether you're managing client projects, your own work hours, or a whole team's output, these steps will help you boost accountability and efficiency. So let's dive right in and set up time tracking together. Let's start with the basics. Adding the time tracking column to your board. First, navigate to the Monday.com board where you manage your tasks. If you have multiple boards, make sure you're on the one where you want to track time. This setup is per board and gives you flexibility to customize workflow for each project or team. Now, look at the top of your board where your column headers are displayed. On the far right, you'll see a little plus button that says Add Column. Go ahead and click it. This opens up a list of available column types. Here, find and select the time tracking column. Once you do this, the new column pops up instantly on your board, ready to record your work hours. It's just a couple of clicks, but don't rush. Double check that you've added it in the best spot for your workflow so your board stays organized. With the column added, it's time to track your work. Monday.com actually gives you two ways to log time, using their built-in timer or manually entering time logs. Let's walk through both options because each is handy in different real-life scenarios. If you want to record time live as you work, the built-in timer is your friend. Simply click inside the time tracking cell for the task you're about to tackle, like say design logo or prep client presentation. You'll see a play icon. Click it, and your timer starts running quietly in the background. You might notice a tiny notification appear at the bottom of your screen. This lets you pause or check the timer on the fly. When you're done, just hit pause. The system automatically sums up the time spent on that task and logs it right in your cell. This approach is perfect if you're switching between tasks or want an honest record of how long something really took. But what if you forgot to start the timer or you're logging hours from yesterday? No problem. Manual entry has you covered. Click inside the time tracking cell again, but this time select View Log or Add Log if it's new. Now you can manually pick the date, enter your start and end times, or simply punch in the number of hours or minutes you worked. You can even jot down a quick note, for example, debugged API or team call ran overtime, to add both context and transparency. When you're finished entering the details, hit Done, and that entry becomes part of your time history for the task. Tracking is useful, but the real magic is in viewing reports and totals. As you and your team log time, the time tracking column automatically adds up all the hours for each individual item, for task groups, and even for the whole board. Just scroll to the bottom of the column. These summaries help you quickly see the big picture, like which projects need more resources or who's overloaded. For even more detail, you can click the total time at the bottom of the column. This opens up a full breakdown showing exactly who logged time, on which tasks, and when. It's super useful for pinpointing bottlenecks or following up on what's taking longer than expected. Now, if you want to level up your reporting for advanced analytics, you can add a time tracking widget to a dashboard. Head to your dashboard section. You can either create a new dashboard or open one you already have. Click plus Add Widget. Then choose the time tracking widget. You'll be prompted to configure it to pull data from your boards of choice. Use filters for date, project, or person, so you can run comparisons, track billable hours, analyze team efficiency, or even estimate project costs. Dashboards are especially powerful if you're overseeing multiple teams or need to share results with clients or stakeholders. And that's it. Your Monday.com board is now a time tracking powerhouse. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Leave any questions you've got in the comments. I always do my best to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials and project tips. Thanks so much for watching and happy tracking.